Hi guys, time to have some cooking. Just trying to make a quick fix. Well, vegetable chicken. So that's chicken. Washed it very well. This is now tomato and garlic. Alright, in olive oil. Cilantro and spring onion. And I've got orange pepper, green pepper, chopped up sweet potato but with the skin. Okay? So these are my ingredients, and then the salt, the thyme, mixed herb, and paprika. And I'm going to use curry as well, curry powder. So let's see how it goes. So I've started by frying this. So I'm going to put the chicken. I didn't season the chicken at all, so the chicken will sort of season by itself when I put it inside the mixture on the fire. Sorry, this chicken is just denying me picking it off. Alright, just hold on guys. So I put all the chicken in. I'm just going to put the curry. Nice curry. Okay. Let's put the curry in. Okay. Then, because I don't have my stand, I'm at a friend's house, so I'm going to put all the spices, all the seasonings, and then I'll get back to you guys. I've put in the sweet potato. So I'm going to pour in some water to let the sweet potato cook. Okay. No, the top in there. That one. This any of them, yeah, just two. So as I said to you, I'm cooking at my friend's house. So thank you. So I'm going to pour in some water which will now cook the sweet potato and the chicken. So as I added mixed herbs, thyme, paprika and curry, and then some salt. So I'm going to add some pepper, African Scotch bonnet, and then I'm going to leave this to cook for maybe another 15 minutes. Can you see how beautiful, how colorful it looks? I'm going to add pepper, spring onion, cilantro. That's it. See you. Okay. So we're going to now put all the greenies. Oh, the greeny cilantro, which is coriander with spring onion. Yes. There we go. Putting all the orange and green peppers. And you know we shouldn't cook them for a long time to retain the vitamins and let it lock in. So I'm just going to stir it well, then I'll continue videoing this. So nice. Sweet potato, vegetables, and chicken. Alright guys, we're going to dish it and eat now. Okay, that's how it looks now, okay?